Hello and welcome. I'm Otis Landerholm, founding attorney here at Landerholm Immigration A.P.C, where we fight for your American dream. And today I have a bit of announcement about asylum cases. All right, so this announcement just came out recently, the 29th of January of 2018. So if you're listening to this after that date, and if you're thinking about filing for asylum, pay attention. What the United States Citizenship and Immigration Service has said is that they're going to change the way that asylum cases are scheduled for interviews, all right? Right now there are backlogs that are enormous for asylum cases. But what they've said is, regardless of this backlog, they're going to basically ignore the backlog and schedule interviews for people that file their asylum case today as soon as they can. So they're going to put priority on scheduling the interview for the people that are filing now, not on scheduling the interview for the people that have had it pending for a long time, all right? This affects two people, and I want you to pay attention if you're anywhere related to asylum cases, all right? This affects two people tremendously. First, it affects people that are about to apply for asylum. If you're about to apply for asylum in the United States, it means that your interview will be coming up much faster than any of the people that you've talked about, or that you've talked to, that you've heard from, where, oh, my interview took 2 years to come, right? They're planning on making it happen like within 6 months, which means that you might not qualify for a work permit, right, before your interview, all right? So it's important to be aware of that. The second group of people that this affects is, of course, the people that are waiting in the backlogs. If you have an asylum case that is pending, and if you thought that your interview was going to be coming up pretty soon, it's probably going to mean a longer delay for you. At the very least, you've got your work permit already, but what this is going to cause is it's going to cause an even slower processing time for the people who have had their asylum applications pending in front of the USCIS, all right? And just to be clear, just so I know that we're all on the same page, everything that I'm talking about is only in front of United States Citizenship and Immigration Service at the Asylum Office. This announcement, and there's a separate announcement we could talk about, this announcement does not affect asylum applications that are in immigration court. Does that make sense? So if you're in immigration court filing for asylum, don't listen to what I just said. But if you've applied yourself, you're not facing deportation yet, you've applied for asylum in front of USCIS, then your case is now affected by this asylum announcement that went into effect on the 29th of January of 2018. If you have any questions, I'm sorry that this is all over the place a little bit. If you have any questions or if you need clarification about that, please visit our website or please contact our office. Our phone number is just going to be right here on this slide, and so check it out. Call our office. Everybody that calls our office gets a free 15-minute evaluation, and then if it makes sense, then we could schedule you for a more in-depth office consultation if that makes sense for you. Okay? Thank you so much for watching this. Asylum is a risky process. Don't do it alone. Please contact our office or contact a lawyer who's good and who you trust to help you through the process, okay? Thank you so much. Otis Landerholm, Landerholm Immigration A.P.C. We fight for your American dream.